The 2018 A5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, rear floor mats, trip odometer. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.